Best high-protein snacks after gastric bypass. After gastric bypass surgery, nutrition plays a vital role in recovery and long-term health. One of the key nutrients your body needs is protein. It supports muscle repair, speeds healing, and helps you feel full longer. Since meal portions are much smaller after surgery, choosing the best high-protein snacks after gastric bypass ensures every bite delivers maximum nutrition. Criteria for post-surgery snacks. When choosing snacks after gastric bypass, keep these points in mind. High protein, aim for 10 to 15 grams per snack. Low sugar, less than 5 grams per serving to avoid dumping syndrome. Soft texture, gentle on the stomach and easy to digest. Small portions, eat slowly to prevent discomfort or nausea. Recommended high-protein snack options. 1. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is smooth, filling, and gentle on the stomach. One serving provides about 15 to 20 grams of protein. Choose plain, low-fat versions to avoid excess sugar and add flavor with cinnamon or a few soft fruits. 2. Cottage cheese, soft and easy to digest. Cottage cheese gives around 14 grams of protein per half cup. It can be mixed with mashed berries or avocado for extra taste. It's ideal for those in the soft food phase after surgery. 3. Hard-boiled eggs. Eggs are a quick, portable source of protein. Each provides about 6 grams. They also contain vitamins B12 and D, which help with recovery and energy. 4. Protein shakes. Protein shakes are one of the easiest ways to meet daily protein needs. Look for low-sugar shakes made with whey or plant-based protein. Blending with unsweetened almond milk makes them more satisfying without adding calories. 5. Tuna or chicken salad. Use soft, shredded chicken or tuna mixed with Greek yogurt instead of mayonnaise. This provides 15 to 20 grams of protein and is gentle on the stomach. 6. Edamame. Steamed edamame, soybeans, offer about 17 grams of plant-based protein per cup. They're rich in fiber and iron, making them a balanced and healthy snack. 7. String cheese. Light string cheese or mini cheese rounds are convenient options, providing about 6 to 8 grams of protein per piece. They're small, satisfying, and easy to digest. Snacks to avoid. Avoid foods high in sugar or fat, like chips, pastries, or candy. Skip carbonated drinks and tough raw vegetables early on, as they may cause bloating or irritation. Strategic snacking schedule. Eat small, protein-rich snacks every 3 to 4 hours to keep energy steady and metabolism active. Sip water between meals, not during, to prevent stomach discomfort. Choosing high-protein snacks after gastric bypass helps you stay strong, maintain muscle, and support lasting weight loss. With mindful choices and consistent eating habits, you can fuel recovery while building a healthy, balanced lifestyle for the long term. And always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.